let us do the multiplication and division works of time. Okay. Okay, exercise 8.7. A, multiply. First one, 7 weeks, 3 days by 6. Let us multiply. Which are the columns needed? Weeks and days. Okay. W for weeks and D for days. Then 7 weeks, 3 days. 7 weeks, 3 days. Multiply by 6. Okay. 6 3s are 18. Okay. We can write the 18 completely here. Okay. First we have to multiply by days. How many days are there? 3 days. Okay. So 3 6 are 18. And next by the weeks. How many weeks are there? 7 weeks. 7 6 are 42. Okay. We can write the 42 under weeks. Now here we can say 18 days. Children, we have to convert the extra days. Means the relationship between weeks and days is 7 days is equal to 1 week. So we have to divide this 18 by 7. Okay, all listen here. First we have to check their relationship. These two columns. Here we know 7 days make a week. Okay, 7 days is equal to 1 week. So we have to divide these days by 7. Okay. 8 divided by 7. Why? Yes. 7 days is equal to 1 week. So, okay. 14. Okay. Remainder 8 minus 4, 4. Here we can say 2 weeks and 4 days. How can we divide? 2 weeks. It will go to next column and only 4 days will be remained there. Okay. So we can write here. Let us split it. 2 weeks. 2 weeks plus 4 days. Okay. Next step, we have to carry this 2 weeks to weeks column. Okay. So let us write here and cut from here. Okay. Because we have carried this 2 weeks to weeks column. Okay. Let us add these 2 weeks with 42 weeks. Okay. 42 plus 2, 44. Then now our answer 44 weeks and 4 days is equal to 44 weeks and 4 days. Okay. Did you get? Very easy work. Okay. You have to do only work. Just check their relationship. Okay, let us do the next one. Okay, children, the second one. 5 weeks, 2 days, 15 hours by 9. Okay, multiply by 9. Here we need 3 columns, which are the weeks, days, hours. Okay, let us write weeks, days and hours. How many weeks? 5 weeks, 2 days and 15 hours. Multiply by 9. Okay. First multiply by hours. 9 5s are 45. We can write the 5 and carry the 4 to next place. 9 1s are 9. 9 plus 4, 13. Okay, 135 hours. Then next by days. 2 9s are 18 days. Then 9 5s are 45 weeks. Next step, yes, we have to check the relationship. Here hours and days. What is the relationship between hours and day? Is 24 hours is equal to 1 day. Okay. So we have to divide it by 24. Okay. Let us divide 135 divided by 24. Okay. Let us check how many 24s are there in 135. Okay. Add 24 plus 24, 48. Then again 24, 8 plus 4, 12. Write the 2. 1 plus 4, 5. 5 plus 2, 7. Again plus 24. 4 plus 2, 6. 7 plus 2, 9. Again 24. 6 plus 4, 10. 1 plus 9, 10. 10 plus 2, 12. 120. Here only 135. Okay. So we can say 20. How many 24s are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 24s are equal to 120. Okay, 5 times 5 into 24, 120. What is the remainder? 5 minus 0, 5. 3 minus 2, 1. Here 15, that is less than 24 now. So we can't divide this number by 24. Okay, you know that. Then here how many? Yes, 5 will go to days. Okay, let us split it. 5 days. 5 days plus 15 hours. 135 hours means 5 days and 50 hours. Now let us carry this 5 days to days column. Okay. Add 18 plus 5, 23. Here check days and next column weeks. So what is the relationship between days and week? 7 days. So we have to divide this 23 by 7 because 23 is greater than 7. So we have to check how many 7s are there in 23. Okay. Let us divide 23 divided by 7. How many 7s are there? Yes, 3 7s are 21. Then remainder 2. So children, we should say this quotient will go to next column. Okay. Means 3 weeks. How can we write in? 3 weeks plus remainder 2 days. Okay. Then next step we have to carry this 3 weeks to weeks column. How many? 3. Add 5 plus 3, 8 and 4. 48. How can we write the answer? Answer is equal to 48 weeks. 48 weeks. And then here what is remained then? Only 2 days. 2 days. Then hours column, what is remained then? Only 15 hours. Okay, 15 hours. It is our answer. Okay. Okay children, the third and fourth they are for homework. Okay. Next, fifth one. 6 hours, 9 minutes, 25 seconds by 8. Okay. Let us do. Here we need 3 columns. First hours column, then minutes column and seconds. Here 6 hours, 9 minutes and 25 seconds multiply by 8. Okay. First let us multiply the seconds. 5 8s are 40. Write the 0 and carry the 4 to next place. 8 2s are 16. 16 plus 4, 20. 200. Then 9 into 8. 9 8s are 72. 72 minutes. Then 8 6 are 48. 48 hours. Next step is we have to check the relationship between these two columns, seconds and minutes. How many seconds are there in a minute? Okay, 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. So we have to divide this 200 by 60. Okay, 200 divided by 60. In 20, no, we can't. So we have to take the 200 completely. Okay, children, look here. 60 plus 60, 120. Then 120 plus 60, 180. Then can we divide 60 again? Because already it is 180. What is remained there? Only 20. So let us stop here. 1 2 3 times 3 into 60, 180. 0 minus 0, 0. Then 0 minus 8 we can't do, so borrow. 10 minus 8, 2. What is remained there? 20. Okay, this is 3 will go to minutes. Okay, 3 minutes and 20 remained as only seconds. Okay, it is split as 3 minutes plus 20 seconds. Okay, we can carry this 3 minutes to minutes column. Okay, cut it and add with minutes. Now total 75 minutes. Then check the relationship between minutes and hours. Is 60 minutes is equal to 1 hour. So again we have to divide this number by 60. Okay, it is greater than 60, no? How many times? Yes, we know that only one time. So let us, do you have any doubt? How is that? 75 divided by 60. Look here, 75 divided by 60. How many times? Only one time. 160, 60. Then what is the remainder? 50. Okay, so this one will go to hours column. Okay, 1 hour and it will be remained as only minutes. Okay, 15 minutes. 1 hour plus 15 minutes. So let us carry this 1 hour to hours column. Plus 1, 49. What is the answer? 49 hours, 15 minutes and 20 seconds. Okay, so let us write is equal to 49 hours, 49 hours, then 15 minutes, 15 minutes and 20 seconds, 20 seconds. Okay, it is the answer. Okay, the remainder works you can do. It is very easy work. Okay, you can do. Okay children, next portion B, division. Okay, divide. You know the division works always we start from left side only. The addition, subtraction and multiplication works are started from right side, no? But the division works always start from left side only. Okay, here 10 weeks 5 days divide by 3. Here we have to start from left side only. Okay, 10 weeks divide by 3. First let us divide this 10 weeks by 3. Okay, 10 weeks divide by 3. In 10, how many 3's are there? 3 3's are 9. Then remainder 1. So we can write 3 weeks, and this 1 week will go to days. We know 1 week is equal to 7 days. Here we have to multiply by 7. In the multiplication works, what were we doing? Yes, we were doing the division work, but in the division work we have to multiply. Okay. Here we can take this 1 week to days. Means 1 week means 7 days. 7 days plus 5 days. Okay, I shall make it understand. This 3 weeks will be here only. 3 weeks, and this 1 week will go to days place. 1 week is equal to 7 days. Okay, here total 7. 1 week 7 days, plus already there are 5 days. 7 plus 5 days. 7 plus 5, yes, total 12 days. Okay, 12 days divide by 3. In 12, how many 3's are there? 4. Okay, 4 3's are 12. There is no remainder. So answer 4 days. Answer is equal to, here quotient 3 weeks, and here quotient 4 days. It is the answer. Very easy work. Division work is the easiest work. Just we can divide the things one by one by the given number. Okay. Okay children, the second one. 25 weeks, 6 days, 6 hours, divide by 6. First let us start from the left side. 25 weeks divide by 6. Okay. 25 divide by 6. How many 6 are there? Yes, 6 4's are 24. Okay. What is remained there? 1. Means 4 will be remainder weeks. Okay. Here next 1 week is remained there. Okay. This 1 week will go to days column. 1 week means 7 days. 7 days plus 6 days. 13 days. Next 13 days. How? This 1 week is equal to 7 days. That 7 plus already 6 days are there. Total 7 plus 6, 13. Now let us divide this 13 by 6. Okay. 13 by 6. How many 6 are there? 2 6 are 12. Then here 2 will be remained as days. Then 1 day will go to hours column. 1 day, how many hours? 24 hours. So let us write 24 plus already 6 is here, 6 hours. Total 24 plus 6, 30. Now let us divide this 30 hours by 6. How many? Yes, 5 6 are 30. 0 0. Quotient 5. Now let us write 4 weeks, 2 days and 5 hours is equal to, what is the quotient? 4. Only we can write the quotients. Okay. 4, first one weeks, 4 weeks, and then next column days, 2 days, and next quotient 5 hours. Okay, 5 hours. It is the answer. When we divide this time by 6, answer is 4 weeks, 2 days and 5 hours. Okay. It is also very easy work. You can do. Okay. If you have any doubt, you can ask. Okay. Prepare for exam. Okay, children. Now we have completed our 8th chapter. Okay. All of you should do and learn the works. Okay.